Everybody says zoo.
Listen, this was hands down my most enjoyable visit to the zoo. We took the girls back to the Hope Zoo for Eden and Ava's birthday.
It is a real crocodile.
And the animals were putting on a show from start to finish. For example, look here. We went to see the camel and he was being fed until he was like, this is too slow. Nobody complained about the amount of walking we had to do, because one of our best moments was seeing this king give us this treat. The lioness was more laid back, and we see cow every day in Clarendon. Big up King Julian.
One here. You see this one? Eat it. Whoa! It's just sneeze.
And the petting zoo, man, that was such a nice experience to be able to touch, and the animals loved it, we loved it. But where are they running to? The playground. After we thought the animals were the prize. No, sir. They were all about the slide and the swing.
Go, come, eat, come.
Drop a comment with your favorite animal, and until next time, see you soon.